Okay, here we are. This will be the 13th video installment of chronographing 10mm ammo. Today we have 7 new rounds to add to the chronograph list. We got two from Underwood Ammo, one from Corbon, one from Hornady, 3 from Georgia Arms, and one from HSM. And let's take a quick look at them. From HSM, it's the 180 grain full metal jacket. From Underwood, it's also a 180 grain full metal jacket. Georgia Arms, 180 grain full metal jacket. Also 180 grain jacketed hollow point. They call it a plus P. And also their 155 grain jacketed hollow point plus P. Hornady, this is their critical defense 165 grain FTX. Corbon Powerball 135 grain, and Underwood Ammunition 135 grain jacketed hollow point. Okay, first 5 rounds is the HSM 180 grain full metal jacket. Okay, next is the Underwood 180 grain full metal jacket. Okay, next is the Georgia Arms 180 grain full metal jacket. Okay, next is Georgia Arms 180 grain jacketed hollow point plus P. Okay, next is the Georgia Arms 155 grain jacketed hollow point plus P. 5 rounds. Okay, next is the Hornady 165 grain. Okay, next is the 135 grain Powerball. Okay, last one today is going to be the Underwood 135 grain jacketed hollow point.